Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to improve your English quickly, start by studying what you experience every day. If you are an employee, start by studying about words and phrases you usually use in your office. If you are a housewife, you should start by studying what you do every day. For example, write salt on salt jar and sugar on sugar jar. Then you won't forget what they are called. You can talk about things that you do every day in English, such as doing chores, prepare for lunch, washing clothes. Then your English will improve. That was for housewives. But if you have a different job, you can practice your English with that way about your job, since those are things that you experience every day. You will remember and speak them easily. After that, you can move to another step slowly. Bye bye guys, thank you for watching my video. See you at the next video. Bye bye.